So hold on. Stop right there. Stop what you're doing right now. I just have a one question for you. Why are you not subscribed? Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. And if y'all want to see how I got these nice curls, this big little swoop, okay? Y'all feeling the vibes, y'all feeling the vibes. Just keep watching, okay? I'm not even gonna talk too much, we're just gonna get straight into it. Keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Like, just press that button right now. Right now. There is flirt. Alright, so this hair is freshly washed and conditioned. So what I did was, as it was wet, I parted it the way I wanted to, so it would dry in that position. And then I went and I put some wax stick over here to cover up the tracks along the hairline so that we could hot comb it and then make it nice and smooth. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do first. And then after that, we're gonna get into straightening, cutting the layers, and then starting to curl hair. Okay, so now that I got my hot comb, I'm gonna go ahead and just start hot combing my parts down to make it nice and smooth. And we're gonna do that everywhere where you put the wax stick at. Okay, so now that we got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the layers. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn this sideways because I need to buy me a mannequin stand. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush out the hair. Brush it out, and then I'm gonna grab my scissors and we're gonna start putting some layers in this hair. Okay, so this is my first time that I'm gonna be applying layers, so this ain't gonna be like a tutorial on how to cut layers because I don't really know what I'm doing myself. So I'm gonna just wing it, honestly, because I mean, you only live once, right? So you live and you learn. So I'm gonna take this part, I'm gonna start here. Then I'm gonna grab this section and continue to do the same thing. Alright. Just put you down a little bit. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, I hope I'm doing this right, because if not, I'm just messing up my hair. So I'm gonna just do that all around and we almost done. So finger comb it a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. Then this is the last part. And then we're gonna be done cutting the layers and then we're gonna start curling. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna cut no more. We're gonna wait till the hair gets curled, and if I want to cut more, and let me show y'all all the hair. This is all the hair I cut out. I don't know if this is too much. I don't know if it's not enough. So y'all let me know in the comment section below if there's anything I could have did better, because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, but this is gonna come out cute though. I always make sure of that. Okay, so I'm gonna just comb it out now, get all the other hairs that's trying to come out. Comb. That's not from shedding, that's because of the hair I cut and stuff like that. So yeah. Alright, so now we'll just do some more hair coming up. Okay, so now that we got that done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my heat protectant and I'm gonna spray it all over the hair to get ready for curling. See, I was thinking that I was gonna curl it with my curling iron, but now I just feel like I might want to do it with my flat iron, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna do it with the flat iron first, and if I don't like it, I'm gonna go ahead and I get straighten it again and just do whatever. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm thinking if I should straighten the hair first, which I think I might do. That's actually what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna just straighten the hair real quick and I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so now that that's all said and done, we gonna start curling the hair right now. So I got my bobby pins. So what you want to do is before you start curling, make sure you get all your bobby pins, or at least the ones that you could find, because I be losing my bobby pins. So I'm gonna get that, and then we're gonna thinking where should I start? Kind of want to start on this side, so I'm gonna go on this side, and I'm gonna take a section. How should I do this? Take a section. I'm gonna start on the side. It's gonna be little curls, but I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna take a section and we're gonna do some flat iron curls. So I'm gonna take this, then I'm gonna go ahead and get my flat iron, and then I'm gonna take it, first one straight like, ooh, this is hot. I'm gonna wrap the hair around it one time, and I'm gonna just keep going down and keep rotating till I get to the end. Oh, this did not come out how I thought it would. Let's try it again. Okay, so since I was having a little bit of a hard time with the flat iron, I just went and I switched to my curling iron. So in the back, I'm just taking apart just like this. And then once you got the part, I'm gonna just comb it out some and then get my curling iron and then just curl it normally. And I did the same thing to the front too. I just curled it normally and then I just pinned it down. So I'm gonna show y'all one time, and then I always start from there. I'm gonna start at the bottom like I did the rest of my curls. Start at the bottom and then just curl upward or downward, however you want to say it. But you're just gonna go up, 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 and then we're gonna let it sit. This is the moment that y'all have all been waiting for. It's time to go ahead and take out these curls, period. So I'm very excited. So we just gonna start from the back and work our way to the front. Or should I start from the front? No, I'm gonna start from the back. And if you see me looking down here, I'm looking at a mirror. So alright, so these are how the curls look without even being combed out, brushed out, or nothing. And yo, I'm loving this. Y'all see that? Let me show y'all. Okay. And this is bomb. What? This is cute. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finger comb it first, and then I'm gonna get like my comb or a brush or something. But first we're gonna start off by finger combing it. And yeah. What? Okay guys, so these are the finished results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you like this outcome, let me know in the comment section below. Do you like it? Do you think I should change it? Because I think this is cute. I bodied that, okay? Period. Like, I never did like a side part with like this swoop before. And this is giving me like Hollywood vibes. Like, what? But yeah, so if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video.